guys, welcome to Summer Auto Parts. It's a long time not video the Defender X series. So today's video we are recommend our most popular products for the bumper facelift, which is Gloss Black Edition. And the most customer they get the car with the gray color like which on my car. So it's not matched for the Gloss Black Edition to the side skirt and the other parts which they already make the Gloss Black painting. So today's video we are going to show you the front bumper facelift, which we including in the kits is including the front down parts grille and this bumper grille, and also the bumper grille which is a cover. I already make the fog lamp. So for my car, the problem of the front bumper, the first one is gray color, and another problem is the straw horse, which we fixed the bumper guard before, so it leaves the bumper hole in this bumper case, which looks very ugly. So making a Gloss Black Edition bumper facelift is very important for this car. So follow my video today and we are going to show you the installation guide of the bumper kit and to show you the difference before and after we finish the bumper kits. The reason for suggest you guys to make stock of the bumper kits have the following reasons. The first one, this bumper kit is available for Defender 90, Defender 110, and Defender 130. So it can be available for the 3 edition cars from the 2020 to 2024. The reason 2, customers can be changed the ones as OEM parts when they have the car accident. And the reason 3, and the car is with the Gloss Black Santorini colors, which is matched for the body color, so it can be matched the black edition, which can be modification parts. So above the reasons, I do suggest you guys to make some thinking about to make stock of the bumper kits because it will be selling very fast. And we can find this part on my hand is original parts which from the factories, and we already removed from the car. This color is like some golden with the gray colors. After we change the black edition from the bumper, it looks very nice. And we can find which parts we have already fixed: the bumper grille and the bumper piece, and also the fog lamp cover. So this is a full facelift of the bumper black edition colors we already finished. So we can turn to the back side because this case also including the rear bumper case. So follow my videos and let's go to check the back side. For the back side fixment will be a little bit complex because we need to remove the both sides of the bumper corner, and then we can remove the middle bumper kits. And there's coming a lot of bracket and clip for the original bumper guard. So we can find after we remove the rear bumper and the rear bumper corner, they're coming with a toe hook which on the bumper guard. So this toe hook is much easy for us to fixment because it need to use the screws. As the previous videos we already show you guys, we have the upgrade color edition of the toe hook, which one coming with Gloss Black, Gloss Red, and also the blue edition. So if you have any interest, don't be forget to check with our sales team to get the toe hook. Okay, better point. After we remove the rear bumper of the original one, we need to fix the Gloss Black bumper with the original bracket and also the radar and the wiring. So it will be coming a little bit work and take time. So follow the camera to this side, we can find our stuff is already finished, all the complete rear bumpers of the back side, which is the black edition. And this color you can find we did a good job, which is Santorini Gloss Black match the car body color. So it's already complete and we can fix on the car directly by this way.